All right, let's take a look at blending modes. So we got our composition. Let's look at some under the animation presets. We'll go under backgrounds and look at some of the backgrounds. Let's look at circuits, and we'll go back over to this. Where's that? Germs. Yeah, we'll look at germs also. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Let's name this solid. I just Command Z to undo that. I'm going to call this one, so we'll do rename, right click, rename, call this one grid, and then let's right click, new, solid, and we'll call that one the germs. So I need to create a new solid and then add the germs from over here in the animation preset. That way I have both of them. I have the germs on the top layer and the grid on the bottom layer. Okay, so now we're going to look at the blending modes, which is right here. Sometimes to find it, you might need it to go under the toggle switches modes down here, or you can see the modes down here on the bottom left. Yeah, I think I like that one there. And so we're going to look right here under the modes. So right now we have the germs on the top layer. So some of the ones you can use are right in here. The multiply is kind of a popular one, where it kind of mixes the two. You can kind of see the grid and the germs, kind of both within in the frame. Let's try screen. And there you can kind of see it's a little bit of the opposite, where you can see more of the germs and you can see a little bit of the grid through it. Let's come down. Try overlay. And there you can kind of see the germs have gotten darker. The grid's a little bit, about the same. And just to kind of, if you want to kind of go through and look through bunches of them, or let's start at the normal and make sure your germs is selected, and then hit Shift plus or Shift minus. You can scroll through them. So if you look, I just hit Shift plus, and it'll change the modes, which is right here, and start scrolling through some of them to see. That's kind of a neat one. Hard light. Pin light. I kind of like those light ones. It gives it a real different look, and you kind of see a little bit mixture of both. But as you can see, there's difference, and you can see a lot of different type things. Some of them change the colors. Like subtract there, kind of changes the colors when they mix. So you can just kind of see the two different screens when they mix together, the different things that they can do. And that's blending modes.